Hi, I'm Pat Healey, and today you find me in the cockpit of one of our boats in our production line. And over the last 4 or 5 weeks, we've been coming to you via our V46 story that we've been telling. Today we have a new story to tell about a new Viking yacht. And the one area that I'm very proud of is our design, our engineering, and how we are able to bring new models to the marketplace. And what we've done, we've designed more boats between 50 and 60 feet better than any other manufacturer in the industry. And we've been that way for 20 years. And today, I introduce you to the new Viking 54. It's been a boat that's been in development for the last year, and this is our sweet spot, and we have this design down bulletproof. So let me take you inside and show you some of the new things that we've done. Some of the design changes that we worked on the inside of the boat was in the Salon area. And what we did is we kind of, over the last couple years with our new 58, we went from island galleys back to Peninsular Galleys. And we said one of the challenges to do is bring that same layout down into a smaller boat. And that's what we were able to do with this boat. The amount of space, 2 bar stools, lollipop countertop, a tremendous amount of space in between here, 2 sub-zero refrigerators, plenty of storage, all your storage all around with all pull-out drawers, which is very typical of Viking. We've been doing that for 20 years. But another area that we found in the success of our redesigns is moving the salon door to the same side as the companionway. And as you can see, so when you come in the salon door, you look down, you'll come in, and instead of looking into the galley, you're now looking down all the way to the forward stateroom. And that gives you a tremendous amount of depth perception. And it just opens the boat up. And that has been a tremendous success. And what we've been able to do down below is also in the heads. Now the whole wall is a glass shower, and that allows you to open that up. So what we've been able to do at 54 feet is give you the feel of a much bigger boat. So what we've been able to do over our next evolutions of design, we've added more space back into the cockpit as we design and as we move forward. And as today you see, we added 6 inches into this cockpit over our 52, and it helps in the flow for fishing, for putting a fighting chair in, having your rocket launcher, for your long rigger guys. It's really done a nice job of giving us more space back here. And then over the next 2 weeks, we'll be putting the boat in the water. You can see it's right at the end of our production line. We floated the boat last week to get all of our through water heights and set our boot top. Within 2 weeks, as I said, we will be doing all of our sea trials, our engineering, to get all of our speeds, to check our propeller sizing, and to do things that we hope will really excite all of us as we tell the story in the next episode of the Viking 54.